If you're dealing with the discomfort of a chipped or broken tooth, finding quick relief is essential. The best dental wax for broken tooth offers a simple, temporary solution to protect sensitive areas and ease irritation until you see a dentist. Number 1. Ortho Dental Wax. When it comes to reliable protection for irritated gums and sensitive areas from braces, Ortho Dental Wax stands out as a clear favorite. Unlike traditional wax options, this product uses a clever moisture-activated technology that makes it adhere firmly to dental surfaces, whether you're dealing with braces brackets, aligners, or a broken tooth edge causing discomfort. Marketed under the Orthodonts name, this wax is made from medical-grade, clear silicone that's not only non-toxic and latex-free, but also 17 times clearer than the average dental wax for broken tooth protection. That clarity is a surprisingly valuable feature, since it ensures the wax remains discreet and barely noticeable while in use. Another strong point is its durability. It stays put even while eating and drinking, something many users struggle with when using traditional wax. The individually sealed packaging makes it a hygienic, portable, and convenient option for busy people on the go. No more worrying about rows of wax strips sticking together or getting dusty in your pocket. Just pop a dot into your bag or wallet, and you're ready for any situation. The pliability of Orthodonts makes them easy to mold over sharp edges, providing immediate relief from the painful pokes and scrapes that come with orthodontic appliances or a chipped tooth. Users often report that this wax outperforms standard waxes in both staying power and comfort. It's particularly helpful for Invisalign wearers, as it adheres well to clear aligner edges where traditional wax tends to slip off. Although slightly pricier than conventional options, the added convenience, durability, and safety make it worth the investment for those dealing with ongoing oral irritation. Number 2. Razoko Orthodontic Wax. For those seeking simplicity and efficiency in oral care, Razoko Orthodontic Wax offers a highly convenient solution for managing discomfort caused by braces or a broken tooth. Unlike typical wax sticks that require cutting and shaping, Razoko's hemispherical design delivers 120 individually pre-portioned wax dots in a single box, eliminating the mess and guesswork of trimming pieces to size. This product is perfect for people who appreciate a fuss-free, hygienic approach. Each dot is individually packaged to avoid contamination and is easy to carry in your bag, pocket, or purse. It's a solid companion whether you're at school, work, or traveling. The dental wax is designed to provide lasting, comfortable protection against sharp appliance edges and irritating dental work. Its professional dental formula offers a firm but flexible texture that sticks well and maintains adhesion even when eating or drinking, a common weakness in lesser waxes. Application is refreshingly easy. Just pinch a dot, press it onto the problem area, and you're done. Users have praised the wax for providing a smooth, protective barrier that eases the discomfort of braces and broken teeth, creating a far more pleasant daily experience. Razoko Orthodontic Wax doesn't soften too quickly, making it a reliable pick for those long days when eating out or staying active. It's a straightforward, practical option that balances quality, quantity, and ease of use. Number 3. Fresh Dental Wax. Fresh Dental Wax by Fresh Night brings a thoughtful blend of comfort and safety, making it an excellent choice for managing the irritation of braces and broken tooth edges. What sets this dental wax apart is its special formulation that includes soothing vitamin E and aloe vera, offering not only physical protection but also a calming, healing effect on sensitive, inflamed areas in the mouth. Each pack contains 10 cases with 5 pre-cut wax strips per case, totaling 50 strips, more than enough to last through extended orthodontic treatments or for emergency use while waiting for a dental appointment. The wax itself is made from high-quality food-grade material, ensuring it's safe to use inside the mouth. Application is simple. Pinch off the desired amount, warm it with your fingers until pliable, and press it gently onto the area causing discomfort. Users have consistently highlighted its strong adhesion, noting that it stays put through eating and drinking far better than many other brands. This makes it ideal for anyone who leads an active lifestyle or dislikes constantly reapplying wax throughout the day. The pre-cut strips are convenient for measuring out portions, reducing waste and mess. Beyond braces, Fresh Dental Wax works exceptionally well for covering sharp edges from broken or chipped teeth, offering a discreet, effective buffer that prevents cuts and irritation to the gums and cheeks. Its clear, slightly tacky consistency molds easily, and remains where it's placed without slipping or falling apart. Number 4. Melonsun Dental Wax. Melonsun Dental Wax offers a practical and comfort-focused solution for both orthodontic patients and those dealing with broken tooth edges. This set comes impressively well-stocked with 10 individual packs, 5 unscented and 5 mint-scented, totaling 50 strips and a remarkable 350 dots. Both versions are enhanced with aloe vera and vitamin E, making them soothing and gentle on inflamed or irritated gum areas. Melonsun has designed its wax with a convenient pre-cut dot system that simplifies application. There's no need to cut or measure pieces. The included applicator tool makes it even easier to place the wax precisely where it's needed, ensuring a clean, hygienic process. What users love about this wax is its transparency and excellent staying power. Its waterproof formula means it holds up well during meals or drinks, which is often a challenge with traditional waxes that tend to soften or fall off. The wax's consistency strikes the perfect balance between firm and pliable, making it easy to mold while still maintaining a protective barrier over sharp spots from braces or broken teeth. The mint variety offers a light, refreshing scent, while the unscented option caters to those with sensitivities. Each small case is lightweight and portable, fitting neatly into pockets, backpacks, or purses for quick relief on the go. Number 5. Night Braces Wax. Night Braces Wax by Fresh Night is another excellent option for those seeking dependable dental wax for broken tooth issues and orthodontic discomfort. This particular variety adds a light mint scent to its formula, offering a subtle, refreshing taste that isn't overwhelming. Packaged in 10 compact cases, each containing 5 wax strips, it provides a total of 50 strips housed within a master storage case for convenient organization and portability. The wax is crafted from high-quality food-grade material, ensuring it's safe for prolonged use inside the mouth. One of its standout qualities is its ease of application. Simply pinch off the desired amount, warm it between your fingers, and mold it over the bothersome area. It stays in place remarkably well, even through eating and drinking, which many similar products struggle with. Users frequently highlight its pliability and clean, clear appearance, which makes it discreet while providing effective protection against sharp appliance edges and rough tooth surfaces. The mint flavor adds a slight burst of freshness without being overpowering. Whether you're dealing with braces, invisalign aligners, or a jagged tooth, Night Braces Wax offers quick, reliable relief. Its pre-cut strips make portioning simple and reduce waste, and the portable cases are perfect for on-the-go care, whether at school, work, or travel. As a thoughtful extra, the product is formulated to soothe irritation while providing a long-lasting, protective barrier. With its combination of value, reliable performance, and mild flavor, Night Braces Wax remains a favored pick for anyone navigating dental discomfort. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.